Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve home screen on CapCut. To know how to fix or how to solve home screen on CapCut, you should just go to settings. Here you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Then you'll enter to CapCut and you can click. Then this list of app info you will enter to first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that we can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end you can go to Play Store, you can search about CapCut, you can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.